Tinestilin, Ixlia Beer Mascan. Welcome to the Bushman segment on Rockers TV every time. We're talking about the tuna plant. If you look right here, you'll see this is what is known as the tuna plant. It grows in all of your tropical and subtropical regions like Florida, all of the Caribbean, South America, Africa, Asia. This is not just a medicine, but it's also a food. This is what it looks like. This is the foundation root, then these grow up from them. Most people know them. This is what a fully grown leaf, basically a little bigger, a little smaller, but fully grown look more like this. This is very good for all type of inflammatory ailments. It moves inflammation anywhere in the body. It is traditionally used for that. All you have to do, cut up one of these and put one of them in like a gallon of water. And instead of water, you drink that every day if you're suffering from arthritis, rheumatism, gout, all those type of ailments. Get some dramatic improvement just by using that for all inflammatory ailments. Plus, it have a very easy, cool, smooth, cleansing, and nourishing effect on the kidneys, the bladder, and the urinary tract. All very nutritious again. But primary use, all inflammatory ailments, move excess water from the body, move inflammation from the body wherever it is, right? Using for thousands of generations, been using for that. It's also a food. It bears a fruit on the top of the leaves there which turns red. Very delicious fruit, and that fruit is very rich in iron. If you are anemic and you live in regions where it bear, when that fruit is ripe, it have some little black seeds and red sap around it. You eat that, very good to supply you with iron and strengthen up your blood level. You can cook this in the Eastern Caribbean and Africa, Asia. They cut this into like string beans and eat it just like string beans. They also cut it up and curry it down, eat it instead of meat. You can also, in the Caribbean, Eastern Caribbean, they cook it down with saltfish, codfish, and eat it that way. So it's a very good plant to know, both as a food and a medicine. It's known as the tuna or the puntia, prickle pear. Different places it's known as different things. But in Jamaica we call it the tuna. In the Eastern Caribbean they call it cochineal. In other parts they call it prickly pear because of the fruit is known as a prickly pear. So that's it for this segment on the Bush Doctor segment. I am your Bush Doctor, Rassan Abdul Hakim, and all these things you can get up at the Sundial Healing and Learning Center at 3609 Boston Road in the Bronx, right between 225th and 222nd Street. Peace and blessings. Then Anacho, Tanestelin, Ixlia Beer Mascan. Welcome to the Bushman segment on Rockers TV every time. We talk about the nutmeg. Very important, both as a medicine and a spice, right? If you look at this is what a nutmeg looks like. When you pick, it's a fruit. This is the seed that's inside the fruit. You see this outer shell here? This is what is known as mace. This is what is known as mace, a very exotic spice. It's stronger than a nutmeg and have a more mellow look. I think you have a picture of the nutmeg in the back there. So this is like